Do you want to speak English fluently in daily life? In this video, I'll teach you 15 plus simple English sentences that you can use every day. Let's get started. For greetings and small talk, you can use good morning, how are you? Nice to meet you. What do you do? How was your day? See you later. To ask someone for help, you can use can you help me please? Could you repeat that? I don't understand. How do you say this in English? Where is the nearest bus stop? For shopping and buying things, how much does this cost? Do you have this in a different size? I'd like to buy this. Can you pay by card? Thank you. Keep the change.